guys, welcome back to my myankaranation YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to make Ankara handbag, and these are the materials we'll be using: Ankara fabric, scissors, paper, this is lining, we'll be using Velcro, and we'll be using cardboard paper. I'm using this A4 paper as our pattern paper for this bag we are making, and this is the measurement: 29 centimeter by 24 centimeter. So 29 centimeter by 24 centimeter. Then the next thing you want to do is to fold your pattern paper. I am folding from my 29 centimeter. You can see that's where I'm folding from. So you fold it A4 paper into two equal parts. So when that is done, from this edge, this part where it's open, measure 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. And from that 4 centimeter, we are going to roll it straight down back to this edge. When that is done, we are going to cut it out. So after that, from this point, we want to measure 3 centimeter. You can see 3 centimeter. Measure 3 centimeter. And I'll rule a straight line on 3 centimeter. So from that 3 centimeter, place a round object like this. Let's measure this so that we know. This is 8 centimeter. Just place it right here. From your 3 centimeter line, place it. I'm going to try to make a semicircle to this point. See? And I'll rule a line. So I'm going to also cut this off. So this is it. I'm just going to extend this curve to the back. Then I'll roll it back, just extending this curve. So we'll have enough handle for our bag. When that is done, this is what it looks like. So this is be our pattern paper for the bag we are making. So I'm going to place this on a Velcro and I'll cut it out. What I did was just to place the pattern paper on the Velcro, and I trace out both the back and the front. And this is what I removed from here, on this part. So now I'm going to measure 1 centimeter off from this part. Then we are also going to cut it off. I'm going to measure 1 centimeter like that. So when that is in, measure the bottom part of your bag, which should be 29 centimeter. You're going to use this to cut out the down part of this bag. This is for the down part of the bag, and this is 8 centimeter by 29 centimeter. So this is how our bag is going to look like. I'm going to use this tape to connect this bag together, leaving like 1 centimeter space in between the bag, as you can see. So make sure this space is in between your bag before you join your bag together. So when this is done, you're going to trace it out on your. So when this is done, you're just going to trace this out on your cardboard paper. So you're going to put your cardboard paper, and you're going to trace this marker on our cardboard paper. I will trace it out, and I will also cut it out. After you have traced out your cardboard paper, then we'll remove this paper tape, so that we'll join the bag together. Now you will close this space here. Close the space, then you will still join the bag together. When you close the space between your marker, your cardboard paper should be a bit longer, so that when we are wrapping, it will wrap it properly. Still cover up in here. So guys, when that is done, I'm going to wrap the marker with a lining. I am going to wrap the cardboard paper with your Ankara fabric with the help of your Evostic gum. I have wrapped the cardboard paper with Ankara fabric. I have also wrapped the marker with my lining. So the next thing you want to do is to get the side of the bag. So you're just going to hold your bag and you place it on your cardboard paper, and we are going to trace it out. I will cut this out, and I'll cut two of this out. So this is it for the two sides. This side, yes, you are going to wrap it with your Ankara fabric and your lining. You are going to wrap the outside part. with your Ankara fabric, and you're going to line the inside with your lining. So I folded the tip of the Ankara fabric and I gummed it. I did the same thing here. So I'm doing the same for the lining. I folded the tip of the lining and I'm also going to gum it here. So you're going to apply gum on the side of your bag. Then we'll join the side of the bag. Guys, the 1 centimeter that you cut off from this top, we are going to return it from the down part. I'm going to use soft tape to glue it together. You will leave space in between it. So I'm going to wrap the front part with my Ankara fabric, and I'm going to wrap the inside with lining. And I'm done wrapping the cover of the bag, and I also apply gum. And I've applied gum on one side of the bag as well. So we are going to gum this here. I'm just holding it too. So guys, when the top part is dry, there is now time to cover this up with your Ankara fabric. So with the help of Evostic gum, I'm going to cover this up. I'm going to use Velcro to lock this cover. So this Velcro I'm using, this is 1 inch Velcro. Just cutting it round. We're going to glue one part here. The help of our glue, hot glue. I'll hold it down to dry. So guys, this is what our bag looks like. So we have come to the end of this video. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.